Understanding human metapneumovirus, HMPV. Symptoms, transmission, and prevention. Human metapneumovirus, HMPV, is a significant respiratory virus that can cause severe illness, especially in young children, older adults, and individuals with weakened immune systems. First identified in 2001, HMPV belongs to the Paramyxoviridae family and is closely related to respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. Symptoms of HMPV. HMPV can cause a range of respiratory symptoms that can vary from mild to severe. Common symptoms include 1. Coughing. A persistent cough is one of the most noticeable symptoms. 2. Fever. Many individuals infected with HMPV experience elevated body temperatures. 3. Nasal congestion. Runny or stuffy nose is a frequent symptom, especially in children. 4. Shortness of breath. In more severe cases, difficulty breathing or wheezing can occur. 5. Fatigue. General tiredness and malaise are common as the body fights the infection. 6. Sore throat. A scratchy or sore throat may accompany other symptoms. In severe cases, HMPV can lead to more serious conditions such as bronchiolitis or pneumonia, which require medical intervention. Transmission of HMPV. HMPV is highly contagious and spreads similarly to other respiratory viruses. It can be transmitted through 1. Direct contact. Touching an infected person's hands or face can spread the virus. 2. Airborne droplets. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, respiratory droplets containing the virus can be inhaled by others. Surface contact. The virus can survive on surfaces for several hours. Touching contaminated objects and then touching the face can lead to infection. Risk factors. Certain groups are at higher risk of severe HMPV infections, including 1. Young children. Infants and toddlers are particularly susceptible due to their developing immune systems. 2. Older adults. People over 65 years old are more vulnerable to complications from HMPV. 3. Immunocompromised individuals. Those with weakened immune systems, such as cancer patients or organ transplant recipients, are at greater risk. Diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosing HMPV usually involves 1. Clinical evaluation. Doctors assess symptoms and medical history. 2. Laboratory tests, PCR, polymerase chain reaction tests, or rapid antigen tests can confirm the presence of HMPV. There is no specific antiviral treatment for HMPV. Management focuses on relieving symptoms. 1. Rest and hydration. Adequate rest and fluid intake are crucial for recovery. 2. Fever reducers. Over-the-counter medications like acetaminophen or ibuprofen can reduce fever and alleviate pain. 3. Oxygen therapy. In severe cases, especially with breathing difficulties, oxygen therapy or hospitalization may be necessary. Prevention of HMPV. Preventing HMPV involves several key strategies. 1. Hand hygiene. Regular hand washing with soap and water is effective in reducing transmission. 2. Avoiding contact. Keeping distance from infected individuals can help prevent the spread. 3. Disinfecting surfaces. Regular cleaning of commonly touched surfaces can reduce the virus's presence in the environment. 4. Covering coughs and sneezes. Using tissues or the elbow to cover coughs and sneezes helps contain respiratory droplets. What you have learned? Human metapneumovirus is a common cause of respiratory infections with the potential for serious complications in vulnerable populations. Understanding its symptoms, modes of transmission, and prevention measures is essential for reducing the impact of HMPV. By practicing good hygiene and taking appropriate precautions, the spread of HMPV can be minimized, ensuring better health outcomes for at-risk groups.